And to save this data, click Go. And it's saved as one row. Perfect. Now we need to create another PHP page. This we will call connect.php. PHP tags. Here we will declare how we will connect to our database and table to retrieve the information. So start off by just writing $connection equals mysql underscore connect. Open close brackets. We need 3 types of quotation marks in here. The first one you would write localhost. In the second is the username that you use to log into your database. And the third being the password. That's the name of my database. So in this section, we will write MySQL underscore select underscore DB for database, open close brackets, and in the quotation marks, the name of your database. In my case, it's DB 1021.402. And then comma, $connection, as we want to connect back to it, using the details we've just declared. Save this onto your server folder as connect.php. And don't forget to save this page as login.php. What we're going to do now is include connect.php into this page so that they're linked together. And now we start by entering the query. So if the username and password match the data given in our database, we will do the following. So I'm just going to write a note here saying if the information is provided, do the following. So $query get. So get the data from mysql underscore query using this query phrase, which is in caps lock select the asterisk from. So the table is users, where the field username is equal to the username given by the user, capital and, don't forget to put that in double quotations, sorry, single quotations, capital and, where the password from the password field matches the password given by the user, in single quotations, and end it off with a double quote and close brackets. Now we create another variable called numRows. So $numRows equals MySQL underscore num underscore rows, and we ask this variable to get the information from $query get. What this means is when it seeks a value, if it finds a value, it will have the number 1, and if the value hasn't been found, it will be 0. So we now ask this basic question. If the usernames and passwords don't match, the user will get a message saying so, which we will type in a second. So $_ session in capitals, username matches the username on the table, we want to echo the message, you have been logged in. So that's when both information match. If they don't match, echo your username has not been found. And if either username nor password were found, echo the following statement. The information that you provided did not match. Please try again. Now we want to include the index.php file. Perfect. What we want to do now is test what we've done so far. So locate the file index on your server into your browser. So try the fields out. What I'm going to do now is test the username. Perfect, that didn't work. And also test the password with just dummy records. Again, as neither of them matched the information I gave on my table, it returned that message. Now if we use the information I did give, it clearly states that I have been logged in. Perfect.